Welcome back to Cane and Coffee, everybody. In front of me is a Gaggia Academia that was leaking pretty badly. So we opened her up and we found that there was a ceramic valve that was the culprit. It was replaced and now the machine no longer leaks. So let's go ahead and draw an espresso. This machine was brought into us by Mara Lee. Thank you for bringing it in. It was a lot of fun to work on. We'll just show this shot being drawn. And then I'll show you that it is not leaking. There it goes. And while that's happening, let's take a look under the machine. This is the third of several shots or so. So if it was still leaking, it would be obvious by now. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. We put them out pretty much every weekday. Thank you very much and take care.